Okay, this is number 2 in combo. Again, please do it yourself first. Please do not just watch this because then you're not learning how to do it at all. Okay, a 20-volt battery is connected across a series resistor and 2 resistors in parallel. The current through the 12-ohm resistor is 1.2 amps. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and see if we can draw this first. And a resistor. All right, I'm going to leave out some of these circles because otherwise it just gets a little bit unwieldy. And ammeter down there. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and label these probably R1, R2, and R3. Okay. And let's see what we know. We know that the total current is 3 amps. So let's go ahead and fill in these ammeters by the battery, 3 amps. All right, I always know that it's 0 volts at the bottom of the battery, and I don't know the total voltage, so I can't fill in the top. It's telling us that the current through the 12-ohm resistor is 1.2 amps, so that's going to be this guy. Okay, so for R1 up here, right, it's on the same path as this, so I know that the the current through R1 is going to be 3 amps. Okay. That 3 amps is going to come and split onto these 2 paths. So if this one gets 1.2, this one's going to have to get 1.8 because it's going to have to add to 3. All right. And then let's go ahead and make some calculations. So again, you should be doing this. I'm not doing it super slow because you should have already done it. You should just be checking it. Okay. 1.8 times 8 for here. I'm going to do, 1.8 times 8. All right, this is going to be 14.4 volts. Okay, next line down, 1.2 times 12 is going to be also 14.4 volts. Of course, right? Because these two here are in parallel. These have to be the same. Oops, should have filled that in before. Okay, so if it's going to drop 14.4 and it ends at 0, this is going to have to be 14.4 up here. Okay, all right, and now let's see what else that we know. Okay, oh yeah, they're giving us a 20-volt battery. Whoops, so we did know that. So that's going to be 20. All right, and now I'll be able to tell the drop through here, right? Because this is going to be from 20 down to 14.4. Okay, which means that this guy is going to drop by 5.6. All right, okay, now I just have to finish calculating. So 5.6 divided by 3, this is going to be 1.9. And then 20 divided by 3 is going to be 6.7. Okay, this part, don't worry about it. Okay, all right, so when I go ahead and take a look at this, let's label these A, B, C, D, E, F, E prime, F prime, because those are just going to be a single drop. So A, B, C, D, E, F, back to A. I guess let's make that 20 and that 10, so I'm going to go up to 20. And then across, and then I'm going to have a drop of 5.6. So it's going to go just right down here to like 14.4. That's my minus 5.6. Then across, okay, then it's going to drop the rest of the way, but that's the place where there's going to be 2 paths, that E to F. Okay, and then back to A, minus 14.4 plus 20. All right, so that's number 2.